you guys, I think I extra contoured today. I contoured with like this palette, Ace Beauté. I don't know if I like it. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like this contour palette would be something I would pick up because it's like, oh, the colors look like you can relate to the colors, but it's like, I don't know. But you guys, hi! I missed you guys so much. So before I was doing this video, I was going down the comments and I was just going down and down and down on the previous video. I'm just so happy you guys kind of got what I was doing with the beauty videos, where I just really want to make you feel like I'm personally there with you, getting ready and playing with makeup. That's like my whole point, and I think it's gonna be a good vibe. As you guys can see here, I kind of created something cool. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this or not, but we're gonna play with some makeup. I'm feeling very colorful today. I feel like I want to do like something maroon and lime green. I'm literally sitting here looking at this Milk moisturizer, and I'm just like, wow, this color, I want it on my eye. I really want to start off and just get all the negative stuff out the way. Just getting rid of this negative comment. There's a comment that someone wrote on my channel, which, by the way, I want you guys to know, like, I feel like everyone is very entitled to their opinions. People are very entitled to what they think about me or think about other things. I respect it. That's what makes my channel so authentic and just so real. You know, I understand you and I get it. But let me tell you, when I understand something and when I understand where you're coming from and I might not agree with it, I still am there to listen. And I just think that's just the way I'm gonna do it now. The old Kimora, I would be like, block, 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 but I feel like I'm not getting paid to block you, so why am I doing that? I am built to take drama, to take criticism, to take opinions, I'm built for that. So bring it on, girl. I'm all about it. I'll read it, and I even sometimes heart it because I respect it and I get it. So now, pulling up a print screen, I print screened this on Wednesday. This guy named Barack World, this is what he had to say. I really liked your channel, but I had to stop watching when you start to lie again. You are just let other people make fun of you more. Just own it. Your cheeks are not real. I put all my money on it, but whatever. Now, how much money you got? Because baby, let me tell you something. If you guys literally want to think it's fake, that's up to you. I already cleared my conscience, but I feel like it's very serious to people. You know, this is the thing that I don't like what people do about plastic surgery and things like that, is that they want to sit there and act like they sat there in that room and they paid for your cheekbones. You know what I mean? Like, I don't even know where he was. Like, how do you even know if I did get it done? I don't understand how you think that you know that. And for someone to sit there and put all their money on the table, I don't know. I don't see no money, girl. How much money are you trying to put on? Because baby, let me tell you, it's a pandemic and it's 2020 and I'm willing to take anything. But I could tell you right now, in that bet, I will take all your money because I will make you go buy me an x-ray and I'll go do an x-ray situation, and then you can be like, bam. But you know what? Here's the thing. At the end of the day, I don't owe anyone that thinks what he thinks an explanation because I don't even know you. I wrote this on my Facebook the other day. That was going on. And sometimes when I'm like, you know, in my moment, I tend to write things that are questionable. So the other day I wrote, opinions and negative comments don't really matter to me, especially if it's from an online person. Now, you guys gotta remember, I know we're on social media. I'm gonna pull out the Volume 2 Jaclyn Hill, and I'm gonna pull a little Lime Grime. These colors are kind of cool. I think they'll work. I got my new BADDIE mirror, you guys. Now, you guys know I love BADDIE lashes, so these mirrors are so cute. That being said, online people, I don't really have time to argue with you guys. I don't really have time to go back and forth because you know what? I don't even know who you are. I don't even know if you're a real person. I'm not gonna waste my time, and that was the point of my other video too. Don't bother with people that you don't even know. Honestly, it's probably a crazy person that doesn't really have friends and can't really use their own actual name, and it could be anything, to be honest. It could even be a robot for all we even know. So I just feel like people like that are just really negative, and I don't let it really ruin my day, because what if you wake up and you know you're feeling like it's such a good day and you don't want to have anybody come in and ruin it, and that one specific comment could be the deal breaker for the day for you, you know, and it sucks because you don't know what you have going on that day. I always tune myself out of them. I read them, but I don't let it affect me. I just wanted to start that video off that way and get all that negative because it's going to be a good video today. I'm feeling really confident about this eye. I'm going to go into my channel, the community section, and I'm going to read off some questions that you guys have for me. And I've been wanting to do stuff like that forever. I hate this color. Like, I don't even know why I even picked this. Okay, so I've been wanting to do that forever because I feel like that also engages conversation, and I want to, you know, sit here and answer some questions if you guys have for me. I just totally burped in my mouth and it was like gross. I'm just gonna finish putting this really awful color in my eye. Okay, so basically you go into the page, right? And then at the top, you click community or you see my post, and then this is where it goes in. So 4 days ago, I posted what question you guys have. So let's go down and read it. First question. So I'm just gonna go down and just kind of go through different questions. And I'm not too really sure how many questions I'm gonna answer, but I'm gonna, you know, answer some. Actually, I really do like this one. I think this is a good one to start off. Emily, she's so cute. I wish I can zoom, but she's so cute. She's like totally giving me like icon photo vibes. I love it. Your dream collab and a person you wouldn't want to do a collab with. Okay. I like that there was like a sneak attack question in there because it's actually 2 questions. We're gonna talk about collabs. So I'm just thinking what she means is a collab like makeup, maybe a collaboration with a brand, a person, pretty much a collaboration period, which I know you guys, by the way, are waiting for it. We'll see if that happens. If I had to pick a collaboration or a brand first who I would collab with, meaning like I will have a full collection, eyeshadow, liners, mascara, the full sexy eye moment. Like I'm telling you, my whole collab would be the PR box, and the box that you guys would even purchase would be like phenomenally done. Like it's something that I've not seen done yet. So I feel like it's like, okay, thank God no one's doing it yet. I'm not gonna say nothing on here because y'all good about retweeting shit. If I had to pick a brand, obviously I would pick Morphe. And here's the reason why. The reason why I would pick Morphe, they have everything. And I feel like the quality of Morphe is so good. I mean, first of all, look at this Morphe palette going on my eye. But second of all, I feel like Morphe to me is very affordable, and I wouldn't want to start off a collaboration where my products or my collection is not affordable. Like I really, truly wouldn't want you to feel discouraged or feel like you couldn't purchase this, you know? And the reason why I'm saying that is because when I was younger and, you know, seeing like, I don't know, like back in the day, I would go to MAC and I would see like a lipstick from the Viva Glam collection. I was in love with Christina Aguilera, and I think she was like Viva Glam 4. And I wanted it so bad, but back then, $16 when you're like in high school or freshman, yeah, you can spend it, but you also, it's almost like you really question it, you know? So I feel like things like that, like I really want those to be the last conversations of my product and my collaboration. And I understand the business side, we're supposed to make money and I'm supposed to do this, but I would probably really make it super affordable and make it very luxurious feeling, so you can feel that luxurious feeling without spending so much money. And I think a lot of brands don't do that. You know, like listen, I love a good packaging, and sometimes I do buy palettes and collaboration because the visuals, the feeling, because I am a makeup collector. So I get that, but I feel like not everyone's a makeup collector. So mine would just feel like it's for everyone and you can afford it. And oh, okay, this eye is totally getting better now. And that would be what it is. And obviously I would love to launch like eye stuff, eye product, mascara, eyeshadow, liner, like especially liners. Like I would want my liner gel pencils to be phenomenal. I know there's a lot of liners in the world, but we can always have more, you know? I need a smaller brush. Okay, so I'm going very burgundy. I'm going very, you know, I'm trying to really get burgundy. Like that's my goal. Okay, so the question that was also in the question, who wouldn't I collab with? There's not really, you know what it is? You guys are on a channel where I really do like everyone. Like if you guys are talking about like James Charles, Jeffree Star, Nikkietutorials and things like that, then yes, I really enjoy everyone, to be honest. I don't really have an issue with any guru out there. I know there's a lot of drama and there's a lot of things happening with each other, but that has nothing to do with me. You know what I mean? I like everyone for who they are and their reasons. Like there's not a specific person where I'm like ill, you know, like I would never work with you. You know, because who knows, like that person that you don't like, once you sit down with them and work with them, you might fall in love with them. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's really true if you are a normal human. But I mean, if I had to pick one, you know who I would really love to collab with? I personally would really love to collab with Miss Nikkietutorials. And let me tell you why. The reason why I would just love to do something with her, I see a lot of myself in her when it comes to techniques and colors, and her personality is just so great that I feel like it's almost hard to not like her. If you sat next to her, like obviously if she asked me to do her makeup, I would be terrified, but I think I would be just fine. I would slay it. I feel like her story as well, like I just would really relate to it in a sense of being true to who you are, you know, like I know that's something that I'm really fighting to this day because a lot of people are backlashing me on who I support and who I am for, but that's fine. But I feel like me and Nikki, we would just really get along, and I don't know, I just think she's so amazing. You know, the one time I met her, she came to one of my shows in West Hollywood, and she was so fucking nice and so sweet. This eye is letting me fucking have it. Whoa. Okay, so next one. This is a really good question, and I want you guys to ask this to yourselves. Your future dreams in life. That's a broad question. Hold on, before I answer that question, I gotta... You know when you're like looking for a brush? Well, one, good health. I would love to make sure, you know, I have good health, my partner has good health. I would love to be... You know, when people say successful, it's almost like, what does that mean to you? You know, like, what does successful mean to you? And I feel like some people, their views on what being successful is obviously probably going to be like, want to be rich, want to be famous, want to be all this. Like, yes, those are nice, and I feel like those are built into a lot of people, including myself. But, you know, also being good and living healthy and making good money here and there, you know, I feel like that's very successful. Here's the thing, I always say there's always someone that is doing better and doing worse. I'm very, very, very thankful for what I'm doing now because I don't really have the most support from people. I feel like I don't really have support from a lot of the people that I know. It sucks because you kind of wish you had it. I know this sounds so cliche, but it also makes you that much stronger, and it also makes you feel like I can fucking do this, you know, I don't need anybody. And I love that attitude because that's how I know some strong people are. It's like you don't really let people on the internet or people get to you. You really just gotta go out there and just fucking do it, you know what I mean? That being said, I think, should I do a white liner underneath? No, I think I should do dark because I really want it like lime green, which I'm gonna try to recreate. So you guys, I'm gonna use this liner from Gaga, the house, this is Punk liner. Yeah, I feel like if to answer the question, I would love to just have a makeup brand and to know what that feels like. And whether or not I get there or not, makeup has always been my passion. So whether, you know, I make it there or not, you guys will always know I will always do makeup. I love it. It's in my blood. It's in my blood since I was like fucking 12. You know what I mean? So I'm always gonna be around it. All right, so now we have everything lined. Wow, that's so gorge. I'm like really, really happy that came out. To make the lime green pop really fast before I get to another question, I'm gonna be using KVD Vegan Beauty Super Brows Yellow and the green. This is Lemmy Green and Daffodil. And then I really want that lime, and this is the only thing I have that's lime, which is the Suva Beauty Hydro Fix, because I really, really want it like neon hot. So, and I think the neon with the burgundy is gonna look really, really cool. So what I did is I took a little bit of each and kind of mixed it to make it as neon as I can. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna take some green and just kind of mix it in, okay? And I'm gonna take some yellow to really make it lime. I guess this is how lime it's gonna be. Okay, so as I'm doing this, next question. Oh, this is a good one. From Tabs Leo 2, Hablas Español, saludos desde Mexico. I totally said that wrong. I wish I could speak Spanish, and that's been one of my goals forever because all my friends, I'm telling you, 99.9% of my friends are Hispanic, and they just, I don't even know. I wish I could speak Spanish. This is from It's Braxton MG. Your personal least favorite moment from your season of Drag Race. Thank you for that question. Okay, my least favorite moment was the first challenge. I feel like when I did the Gaga, it was just not my best. And to be in front of Gaga, I didn't feel super confident, you know? So I feel like that was my least favorite. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, look at that color. It's not even lime green, but I'm kind of okay with it. So yeah, that was probably my least favorite. I mean, that was my least favorite. I mean, not when I went home. And when I went home, I was like, okay, it's ready to go home. Carla Luna said, would you rather only wear flats or bob wigs? Bob wigs. I would never wear flats. Are you kidding me? My heels are always 5-inch, 6-inch, no platform, arch to the T. But I love a bob wig, so why not? And she also said, What were the first makeup products you began using when you started? MAC Cosmetics was the way to go, girl. I was getting it for free. That's all I knew at that time when I first started was MAC, Makeup Forever, things like that. What do you want to accomplish this year? You know what I want to accomplish? I want Trump out of the office and I want coronavirus to be done with. That's what should be accomplished this year. Or tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the next one. So it says, what should I review next? What should I review next, you guys? So I'm just taking that green. I'm just really trying to keep that same shape as my other eye as much as I can. Okay, I feel like that's really green and good enough. We did it, you guys. My little concoction, how do you say concoction? Okay, so as that dries, I have to wait till it dries. Don't you guys hate it when every time you do shadow, it gets like on your lashes? It's so annoying. So I'm taking the Suva Beauty. This is the lime green situation. So see the difference? Like I really want it like this. So I'm gonna really wet it. And then I'm gonna take the same brush that I was using. Like I'm like literally mixing it. Whoa. That's kind of a big deal. As that's drying, I am going to just really kind of like let that dry. Now, if you guys are obsessed with Baddie B lashes are one of my 3 brands that I am absolutely obsessed with. They have mirrors and fans and lashes galore. So if you guys are shopping on Baddie B, make sure you guys are using my code. I have it right here. Ooh, I am like really obsessed with this color. I feel like orange would be really hot in this look. I'm gonna still stay with the Jaclyn Hill. This is volume 2, and I'm gonna probably use this orange right here. It looks like it's the brightest orange. And taking it and just really pressing it and saturating into the brush, so you have about like that, and pray that this is gonna look gorgeous. So I'm gonna take it and just now really press that orange. Okay, so I'm taking that orange in the inner corner and I'm just gonna press it in, and then between the orange and the lime green, I think we should do a little yellow. It's kind of cool. Do you see it? It's almost like highlight yellow. I don't know. So continue doing that on each side, is adding that yellow to the orange. It does kind of fade. Maybe a little yellow on the outside would really make it pop. Like a little yellow here. Okay, see, now that's kind of cool, right? And then, voila! Alright, you guys, so today I'm going to be plucking on my favorite lashes ever. These are the TATTI lashes. Their lashes are just beautiful, and I feel like for a dramatic eye, we need a dramatic lash. So also, if you guys are shopping on TATTI lashes on Instagram or online, at the end of the purchase, if you guys use my code Kimora15, it does save you money off. So I will be right back. I'm plucking my lashes on, putting on a lip, completing the full face, and you're about to see the final finish look. Oh my god, you guys, we did it! I don't even know why I am wearing this faux fur jacket in the middle of this temperature, this hot LA day. Okay, I did not plan this look to go this way. I did not plan to look like a fucking human starburst. I did not plan to look like I'm giving you strawberry shortcake vibes. I don't even know, but are you guys not living for the green and pink? I'm totally feeling it. I had so much fun. But if you guys liked it and you guys never been to my channel, you guys always know I always try to keep things updated and fun and different. Down in the comments below, if you guys have any questions you guys want me to answer, you guys always know that's always helpful for me to go back down. I do read them, and honestly, listen, I started off this video with the most negative comment ever. Listen, I don't let it affect me, and I hope you guys all kind of got something away from this video. I honestly can't say this enough, and I know I've said this many times before, but it's always someone that has never seen my video or someone that needs a little help here and there, and I just hope my video inspires you guys to kind of just really go out there and be you to the maximum, extreme, fullest you can be. And I know it took me a long time to get to that person, but I'm telling you, when you guys get there, it's gonna be so positive and just drama-free. In the meantime, I just love you, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification. It does notify you. And if you guys are coming back, welcome back. You guys already know, y'all my regulars, you know, y'all are my regular people that I love. So wow, this year is, what is it, August? Crazy how the year is almost ending, but great things are happening. So I love you, and I'm gonna go take some pictures. I tried to do the Cardi B thing, but it did not work. I love you. I'll see you guys later.